I'm about to blow your mind. Right now, you think you're sitting perfectly still, right? Wrong. That feeling is the biggest lie in the entire universe. The truth is, you were on the most insane cosmic road trip, hurtling through space at 4 completely different supersonic speeds at the same time. First, you're spinning on the equator faster than any supercar ever built. Second, you're orbiting the sun so fast it makes a bullet look like it's standing still. Third, you're cruising through our galaxy at over 500,000 miles an hour. And fourth, our entire galaxy is being launched through the universe at a mind-shattering 1.3 million miles per hour. So, how fast are you actually moving? To get the answer, we have to peel back every insane layer of speed one by one. And I'm telling you, it's not just one number, it's a chaotic symphony of speed. Understanding this will literally change how you see your place in the universe forever. But wait, before we get to the insane numbers, we have to answer the biggest question. If we're moving so fast, why don't we feel it? Why isn't your hair a complete mess? Why don't you launch into orbit every time you jump? The answer is just one word: acceleration. You don't actually feel speed, you only feel changes in your speed or direction. Think about it like this. When you're on a plane taking off, you feel that push back into your seat. That's acceleration. When you hit turbulence, your stomach drops because of the sudden change in direction. But when the plane is cruising at 500 miles per hour, you can literally get up, walk around, and pour a drink like you're in your kitchen. You, the plane, and the air inside are all moving together at the exact same speed, so it feels like you're not moving at all. Our planet is the smoothest ride in the entire universe. Earth's spin and orbit are incredibly consistent. Because that speed never changes, and because gravity glues us and everything else to the surface, we all move with the planet. We're all passengers on the same ship. We feel nothing because there are no sudden jolts. The only way we know we're moving is by looking out the window at the stars, the sun, and the galaxies. And what we see out there is absolutely staggering. Okay, speed number 1, the Earth's spin. This one is already crazy. Every single day, our planet does one full rotation. If you were standing anywhere on the equator, you were spinning through space at over 1,000 miles per hour. That's literally faster than the speed of sound. You are on a supersonic planet right now. But here's the crazy part. Not everyone moves at the same speed. It all depends on your latitude. Picture a giant spinning record. A tiny speck on the outer edge has to travel way farther and faster than a speck near the center. The Earth works the exact same way. The fastest speed is at the equator. The farther north or south you go, the slower you spin. Someone in London is only moving at about 600 miles per hour. Someone in Anchorage, Alaska is just cruising at 400 miles per hour. And if you could stand on the exact north or south pole, you'd just be slowly turning in a circle once a day. And get this, scientists have recently discovered that the Earth has actually started to spin slightly faster, shaving milliseconds off our days, and they're still trying to figure out why. All of this spinning has also pushed the planet's waistline out, giving it a fat bulge at the equator. All of this happens on a 23.5-degree tilt, which is the whole reason we have seasons as we start our next insane journey. You think 1,000 miles per hour is fast? We're just getting started. As the Earth spins, it's also making a much bigger and faster trip, its orbit around the Sun. We are all on a planet that's traveling on a 584 million mile long rack track. To finish that lap in just 1 year, our planet has to move at an average speed of 67,000 miles per hour. That's almost 30 kilometers every single second. Let that sink in. 67,000 miles per hour. At this speed, you could cross the entire United States in 3 minutes. You could fly to the moon in only 4 hours. In the few minutes you've been watching this video, you have already traveled thousands of miles through space. And even this speed isn't constant. Earth's orbit is a slight oval. In January, when we're closest to the sun, at perihelion, gravity gives us an extra push and we actually speed up. In July, when we're farthest away, at aphelion, we slow down. The only reason we don't just fly off into deep space is the sun's massive gravity. We are technically in a constant state of falling. It's just like how astronauts on the ISS feel weightless. They are always falling around the Earth. Our planet is constantly falling around the sun, which acts like a giant leash, whipping us around this massive track year after year. We're only halfway through and we've already hit 67,000 miles per hour. It's absolutely insane. If your mind is as blown as mine, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. You do not want to miss where we're going next. Okay, quick recap. We're spinning at 1,000 miles per hour while we orbit the sun at 67,000 miles per hour. But the sun isn't just sitting still in space. Our entire solar system, the sun, Earth, every planet, is being dragged on an even bigger, more insane journey. Our solar system is just one tiny part of the Milky Way galaxy. And just like Earth orbits the sun, our sun is orbiting the supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy, Sagittarius A star. The scale of this is almost impossible to imagine. To keep from falling into that black hole, our entire solar system has to move at a truly unbelievable speed. We're talking about 500,000 to 560,000 miles per hour. That's over 230 kilometers every single second. At this speed, you could fly around the entire Earth in less than 2 minutes. This velocity is so extreme, it makes our 67,000 mile per hour orbit around the sun look like we're standing still. We are being dragged through the galaxy on a cosmic carousel. It takes our solar system between 225 and 250 million years just to make one trip around the Milky Way. Think about that. The last time our solar system was in this exact spot in the galaxy, the first dinosaurs were just beginning to evolve. All of human history has happened in just a tiny fraction of a single galactic lap. All right, we're spinning, we're orbiting the sun, and we're flying around the galaxy. That has to be everything, right? The entire galaxy itself can't possibly be moving, can it? Wrong. This is the last and most mind-blowing speed of all. Our entire Milky Way galaxy is being launched through the universe, pulled by the gravity of things that are even bigger. To figure this out, scientists needed something that was truly still in the universe. They found it. The cosmic microwave background, or CMB. This is the leftover light from the Big Bang that fills absolutely everything. It's the ultimate stationary backdrop. And when they measured our galaxy's speed against the CMB, they discovered we are moving at an absolutely staggering 1.3 million miles per hour. That's 600 kilometers every second. What could possibly pull an entire galaxy that fast? It turns out we're part of a crew of 50 galaxies called the Local Group, and this entire group is being pulled towards an even bigger cluster of galaxies. And even that is being pulled towards a giant mysterious gravitational spot in space called the Great Attractor, a region with the mass of tens of thousands of galaxies that scientists are still trying to understand. So our final speed is this. Our entire galaxy is caught in a cosmic river, a hurricane of galaxies all flowing towards some unseen gravitational beast. We are moving at 1.3 million miles per hour through the afterglow of creation itself. So, after all that, what's the final number? How fast are you actually moving right now? Can we just add all these speeds together? Nope. It's not that simple, because these 4 speeds are all pointing in completely different directions. They're what scientists call vectors. Earth's spin is tilted, our orbit is on a different angle, our path through the galaxy is on another angle, and our path through the universe is on yet another angle. Our true path is a ridiculously complex corkscrew inside a spiral on top of another spiral. Depending on the time of day and the time of year, Earth's orbital speed is either adding to our galactic speed or subtracting from it. For 6 months, we're flying in roughly the same direction as our galaxy's path, and for the other 6 months, we're going the opposite way. This means there is no single simple number for our ultimate speed. It's a constantly changing, multi-layered cosmic dance. Let's go back to where we started. You, sitting right there, feeling perfectly still. That feeling is a complete lie. You are a cosmic traveler on the most epic journey imaginable. You are spinning faster than the speed of sound, orbiting a star at 67,000 miles per hour, careening around a galaxy at 500,000 miles per hour, and screaming through the universe at over 1 million miles per hour. You are living your entire life inside a Russian doll of insane cosmic motions. Every single second, you are being teleported across an impossible distance. We can't feel it, but our telescopes can see it. The universe is not a quiet, still place. It is a beautiful, chaotic symphony of motion, and we are all just along for the ride on this tiny blue spaceship we call home. We are all passengers on Spaceship Earth, and our insane journey is just beginning. If you want to keep exploring our unbelievable universe, make sure you are subscribed. And check out this other video on the screen where we break down just how ridiculously big the universe really is. Thanks for coming on this trip with us.